Okay, so we've had such an exciting first week here at the Academy, welcoming all of our new fifth years. So this first week we focus on orientation.
We're thrilled with how Orientation Week has gone. At the Academy we're all about the individual experience of the students, so it's a chance for our students to start expressing themselves in their interactions with each other and indeed with their teachers is central to what we're trying to achieve in orientation. The buzz of conversation outside in the common area and even the corridors is a testament to what it's been like, and hear a shriek of laughter there, which is really what we want for our students from the very beginning.
So obviously with students coming to a new school, it's a little bit scary, it's a lot of unknowns and making new friends, so we take care of that by having a specifically designed program here for the first 3 days.
Today we started with some icebreakers. We had Kelly Shatterman, and after speaking to students they were thrilled that their first day wasn't about just sitting in a room quietly around people they didn't know yet. So we have them in, I don't know if you can hear behind me, they're in, talking, chatting, making plenty of noise, which is great.
We've had some motivational talks from our teachers and principal and myself. They've had study skills ideas, they had pizza, so lots of fun activities throughout the week. And the whole idea is that they get comfortable with their new surroundings here at the Academy, get used to the environment, and most important of all, develop those contacts, start making friends with people. And the main thing about the student body is that everybody's here for the same reason. They want to realise both their academic and personal potential, and that's our job to help them do it. So we're really excited here at the Academy with week 1 coming to a close.